Ravichandran Ashwin, born the 17th of September 1986, is an Indian international cricketer. An all-rounder who bats right-handed and bowls right-arm off-break, Ashwin plays for Tamil Nadu in domestic cricket and Delhi Capitals in the Indian Premier League. He is the fastest Indian bowler, also in some records the joint fastest in the world, to reach the 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 and 400 wicket mark in Test cricket in terms of number of innings. In 2016, he became the third Indian to win the ICC Cricketer of the Year award. He is currently the highest-ranked spinner in Test cricket, and the highest-ranked Test bowler for India on the ICC player rankings. Let's watch top 12 best moments of Ravichandran Ashwin. 12. Player of the tournament in 2010 Champions League 2020. Ravichandran Ashwin played for Chennai Super Kings in the Indian Premier League. He was the highest wicket taker of the 2010 Champions League 2020 tournament for Chennai Super Kings with 13 wickets and was adjudged as the player of the tournament. 11. 5-wicket haul on Test debut. Ravichandran Ashwin made his Test debut against West Indies and became the 7th Indian to take a 5-wicket haul on Test debut. Ashwin took 5-wicket haul in second innings of the match. He was awarded Man of the Match and became the third Indian player to win the award on Test debut. 10. Ravichandran Ashwin maiden Test century. In November 2011, West Indies toured India for 3 Tests and 5 ODIs. Ashwin's recent ODI success saw him being included in the Test squad for the first time. In the third Test at Mumbai, he took 5 for 156 while West Indies made a total of 590 and scored his maiden international century in India's first innings, 103 runs from 118 balls, to take India's total to 482. Ashwin thus became the third Indian to score a century and take a 5-wicket haul in the same Test and the first since 1962. 9. 50 T20 international wicket. In 2016, Ravichandran Ashwin became first Indian to take 50 T20 international wickets. He is the highest wicket taker in 2020 international cricket for India with 52 wickets. 8. Fastest Indian to record 50 wickets in Test cricket. Ashwin became the fastest Indian to record 50 wickets in Test matches as he overhauled the milestone in his 9th game. He achieved it when he dismissed the England opener Nick Compton on the 16th of November 2012 during the second day of the first Test at Ahmedabad. The previous record holder was the legendary Anil Kumble, who had reached the milestone in his 10th Test. 7. 6 for 31 and 6 for 54 against New Zealand. After ineffective and quiet tour against Australia, Sri Lanka, CB Series and Asia Cup, Ravichandran Ashwin returned to form during the 2-match home Test series against New Zealand. In the first Test at Hyderabad, he claimed 6 for 31 and 6 for 54, helping India seal an innings victory and was named the man of the match. His match figures of 12 for 85 bettered S. Venkataraghavan's 12 for 152 for the best figures by an Indian bowler against New Zealand in Tests. 6. Maiden ODI 50. Ravichandran Ashwin scored his maiden ODI 50 of 65 runs from 46 balls. He shared a 38-run partnership with Dhoni and an 85-run 7th wicket stands with Jadeja. 5. 29 wickets in a 4-match Test series. In 2013, Ashwin surpassed former India captain Anil Kumble as the leading wicket taker for India in a 4-Test series. Ashwin claimed his 28th wicket of Border Gavaskar Trophy at the Firoz Shah Kotla, New Delhi. The previous record of 27 had been achieved by Kumble against Australia too, during the 2004-05 Border Gavaskar Trophy. Ravichandran Ashwin took 29 wickets, the most by any Indian bowler in a 4-match Test series. In that series Ravichandran Ashwin won Man of the Series award. 4. Fastest Indian to reach 150 international wickets in Test cricket. In November 2015, Ravichandran Ashwin became fastest Indian to 150 wickets as well during his 5-wicket haul against South Africa at Mohali. In September 2016, Ravichandran Ashwin became the fastest Indian and second overall to get 200 wickets by dismissing Kane Williamson in India's 500th Test match. 3. 27 wickets in 3 tests. In New Zealand's Tour of India in 2016, Ashwin took 27 wickets in 3 tests, including a career best of 7 for 59 in an innings. 2. 5th Test century. Ashwin scored his 5th Test century in his hometown against England on the 15th of February 2021. And it was 3rd time in his career that he took 5 wickets and a century in a single match. 1. 400th international wicket in Test cricket. In February 2021, he became the 4th Indian to take 400 wickets in Test cricket. Ashwin also became the 2nd fastest bowler ever to achieve the landmark after Muthaiya Muralitharan. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Comment your favorite moment of Ravichandran Ashwin. And for more cricket videos subscribe Dhanush Pujari Cricket. Thank you.